So a massive snowstorm is blasting the Midwest and the Great Lakes with blizzard conditions and what could be record snow. Ian Lee reports from Green Bay, Wisconsin, where a state of emergency is in place.
This life-threatening blizzard is bringing nearly 3 feet of snow and wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour around the Great Lakes, creating dangerous whiteout conditions. A no-travel advisory was issued in Minnesota, where Governor Tim Walz authorized the National Guard to be on standby for rescues. Wisconsin issued an urgent warning for drivers not to travel. Snowplows struggle to keep up. Chris Compton is working 16-hour shifts. Residents here in Green Bay tell us this is one of the most powerful storms in years.
Lightning and it's thundering during a snowstorm. It's called snow thunder. It's crazy.
Everyone in this family is pitching in, trying to stay one step ahead.
Ian Lee, CBS News.